तो मुगे प्रॉपर्टी आयला तो
ओनर तो म्हाका सांगता आपणाक हेल्प कर म्हज्या प्रॉपर्टीन ताणें क्रेन हाडला आनी डिस्ट्रॉय करता. आय एम नाव गोईंग इनसायड एंड आय एम शटिंग डावन द क्रेन. His property, no? His property, no? It is his property. His property has been destroyed. For that also we have to take permission. Huh? Of what? You are also now got influenced by him. I will tell you simple thing. Acquisition करपाक जाय न्ही आमी हाडयना. We are just saying follow the procedure. Now you have not even acquired, you have not given him notice, you have not even notified anything. This gentleman doesn't even know आपणाच्या property ताणें पयर पयलें म्हूण. Do you agree to that? As the owner he has to be informed. He is fighting to save his property. And the authorities are not helping him, not holding his hand. Suppose during the process, that particular process becomes null and void.
मॅडम तुझे पावर ना तू उलयता हिशोबान तू म्हणटा आतां म्हाका सांगा आता टीसीपी परमिशन दिल्या अप्लाय केलेलं पहिल्या मानलो जाता वर ना न्हू हांगा मामलेदार आयल्या मॅडम तुमचें नांव कितें जेनिफर म्हणटी आयल्या आतां तो एक्सकवेटर पळय आहा पळय तो प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टीन ताणें दवरला आतां तिका सांगलें तो हांगाच्यान काड म्हणल्यार ती म्हणटा डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक विचारपा जाय तो पीआय आहा तो बाबडो ताजेर प्रेशर आहा ताका पयल्या कळटा क्रेन आनी 2 एक्सकवेटर आहा 3 मशिनरी आहा टोटल ना 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 जागो रिस्टोर म्हळ्यार ना मागीर तसो ताजे पयलीं कंप्लेन कर मागीर तूं एक्सेप्ट करता आनी डॅमेज केलो आमचो जागो न्ही रिस्टोर कर ना तिका सांग ते हांगाच्यान एक्सकवेटर काड म्हणून इतलेंच आनी कांय ना एक मिनीट
Volume is
Pardon, sir?
Call from your phone. फोन करता अरे पीआय गेलो विराट बाबू या एक्वायर ऑलरेडी झाले नो नो दिस पार्ट वेर
proposal
proposal
is only for 60
no notification you got
not acquired. After acquiring when you act. That's why adding in survey number 2.7.
this is in your property this
इतनी बाटली बीन ते मच दाखव पहिला आम्हाला खबर आसा कशी जावनी न्ही ते कोणाक आयतारा कितें त्रास केन्ना जाल्यार तुका आमकां सगळ्यांक त्रास केन्ना हांव न्ही बाबा तूं तांकां विचार कशी कशी माती घालून बंद करया
yeah आखी फोडला मी आणि झाडां पण मारल्या.
Now just now in front of me, he's just breaking the compound wall. No, he's pulling the mud down. He's broken the compound wall.
ते आखे ते कंपाऊंड वॉल मोड होतं हिंगा.
He broke again now.
आखे कंपाऊंड वॉल मोड घायला होतं ते आता.
You can just see.
दॅट इज द कंपाऊंड वॉल.
या that's कंपाऊंड वॉल मोड.
Compound wall.
एक्झिस्टिंग कंपाऊंड वॉल
Just
मोड
now
आहे.
with this machine, just now. Sir.
ओए इधर आओ, इधर आओ. बंद करो इधर. कंपाऊंड वॉल मोड होते.
तो येता म्हणजे तिकडं पहिला म्हणजे येता पण पहिला
अरे वो दीवार फोड़ डाला मेरे तुम उधर. ये दीवार क्यों तोड़ा? हाँ ये दीवार. हाँ
आणि किती मिनिटात
अभी आप उधर है, आपने तोड़ा है.
बाबा साहेबा
को इंस्ट्रक्शन दे रहे बंद कर. वो दे रहे सांग रहे त्याला.
तुम्ही एमएलए तुमचे एमएलए येयलो हिंगा.
He is supervising the work.
You complain to him.
Yeah, I told him, I told that.
What he said?
He should come here now.
No, what he said?
He should come here. They're still breaking on more and more.
Yeah, but what he
He
said?
should come here. He should come here. He should come in the property. He's sitting over there.
But what he said to you? Has he told you, assured that he's doing something or something? No assurance.
He has to come here. He has to come on his own.
But he's sitting there, you're saying the other
He's
side.
sitting there. You can just see there.
Who's your MLA?
MLA Anton was.
Anton Mazur.
This year again, just now they have broken here. Then you will be interviewing on it. Just now, with the second machine. It's still going on.
And in your property now, you have already instructed officially to them and even to the police, even to this workers, that you don't want any construction here.
No.
But they have not
They have
listened
not
to
even
you.
acquired the land now. Which is again RVL and GME came with the file.
Themselves.
Yeah, which he is accepting.
Proposed.
Again. It is proposed. He is not even completing the document, and with that, in the proposal, is it allowing him to break the legally approved compound wall? Is he being approved? What is the use of taking permissions, going to the TCP department, going to the Southwestern Railways, taking their NOC, and the village manager taking licenses, and then you are building a compound wall? What is the use for that? Why should a citizen follow rules?
Yeah.
When we are following rules, we are breaking the thing. It's hard-earned money being spent there. There are all questions raised up. Why should we, each and every citizen who is there, why should he start following rules?
Yeah. Okay.